things you must know in your life to become a millionaire. First thing, you should know how to create money from multiple sources of income. Because if you are depending upon only one source of income, then that is not sufficient to cover your emergencies, that is not sufficient to achieve your financial goal. Make sure that you are having multiple sources of income. I will discuss about that in my masterclass. Second thing, whatever the wealth you have created so far, it is your hard-earned money and you have spent a lot of time, lot of energy, lot of sacrifices you have done to achieve that one. So make sure that you are protecting those assets, those wealth. You should not do any silly mistakes so that you can lose your wealth. Number 3 is you should know how millionaire people are making money, how millionaire people are managing their money, how they are managing their failures. Make sure you attend this masterclass and don't miss these 3 secrets from this masterclass. Who knows, you can come out from your fear, anxiety, anger, and all the frustration, whatever you have in your life. And by upgrading your frequency and mastering your personal finance, definitely you can come out from all these challenges. Are you ready? If ready, please make note of date and time. And if you are not yet registered in a Zoom, please make sure that you are registered in a Zoom prior entering into the Zoom room and actively participate in the session. Please take a pen and paper along with you so that you will not miss any important points, so that you can learn and you can implement those things in your life. Bye bye. See you soon in my masterclass.